This is Siam Square in central Bangkok. Join me as I explore
the streets of Bangkok.
In this video, we are joined by a guest guide. Her name is Jessica.
Hello everyone.
Siam Square is a hotspot for shopping. There are a lot of stalls to browse. If you like shopping, it is an easy spot to spend a couple of hours.
The clothes are really cheap.
If you're more interested in food and drink rather than clothes, Siam Square also has much to offer. Chicken ready to go into the fryer. Lots more meaty snacks. Grilled meats on a stick.
In Bangkok, this kind of cakes are really popular. This is also so cheap. This is 10 baht, only 10 baht.
The cakes Jessica is buying only cost 10 baht each, which is about 30 cents. More fresh fruit drinks. We go deeper into the Siam Square Mall. If you have a sweet tooth, you may like to visit this place, the Pancake House. They serve some very indulgent, fluffy pancakes. We go back outside to see some more food stalls. This alleyway has many food stalls serving cheap Thai food.
Hot and fit.
You're also never far away from a refreshing cup of coffee. We continue our walk around Siam Square. Here is another alleyway. A lady preparing somtam, papaya salad. I'm not sure what this decoration is for. The web of alleyways in Siam Square is easy to navigate and makes it an interesting place to walk around. This is the Scala Cinema, built in 1967.
This is the one of the oldest cinema in Bangkok. Let's take a look inside.
If you like to enjoy your movies in a retro setting, then this is the place for you. Tickets only cost 100 baht and popcorn only 30 baht, a bargain night out.
I really love this cinema. It has so much atmosphere.
Now the question is, are these guys Mormons or hitmen? The answer is neither. They are young guys enjoying Songkran. You may have noticed a large number of people wearing flowery shirts, being wet and carrying water pistols. We are filming this video during Songkran, which is the Thai New Year festival where people celebrate by splashing water on each other. Jessica has found another bargain, a small shop selling bubble tea for just 25 baht. This drink is very enjoyable on a hot day.
The taste is so good. It's only like 25 baht.
Another thing to do in Siam Square is to get a massage. The area has a large number of massage shops, offering cheap foot massage and traditional Thai massage. This part of Siam Square is sectioned off to let people have water fights. Anyone inside the barriers are not safe.
Thank you for watching the video. I'm gonna take the part of the Songkran. See you later. Bye.
Please remember to subscribe for more videos.